And welcome back for another video. Right, the project putting the BHI speakers on the shack, it's all finished now, and I've extended the shack. Excuse me. We'll call this shack 2. I'll just turn the camera around. So yeah, the project's finished now. This is the speaker setup now I've got on the desk. Just laid the speakers down, 101 in the middle, and put the 9700 down. I don't know if it was like this last time. I've moved this shack around now 3 times. A 9700 on the end, and the Sun SDR on top. So yeah, the job's finished. Now, one thing about these speakers, I was getting RF into this speaker, and I chatted to a few people, seeing if I was getting RF coming through my headphones, but I could hear myself talking. Anyway, with a bit of investigation, so if you've got this problem, just think on about this. BHI do a thing called a ground breaker, and it stops RF and ground loops from speakers. But the owner of the shop, I watched a video on YouTube, the guy who owns BHI said, look, we're not after your money. He was doing an interview with somebody. He said, sometimes you can get you can hear yourself coming back through the speakers. You get RFI coming back through the speakers. He said, so the way to cure it is to connect the power supply to another speaker, or buy the unit. It's about £30, a ground breaker. So anyway, I just put the speaker now to that power supply in the back there, and the radio, I don't know if you can see it down there, I've got stuff in the way, that speaker over there. So yeah, I've got the radio connected to one power supply, and the speaker connected to another power supply, which has solved the issue. And the guy from BHI, when he was doing this interview, said we have had reports, if you put your radio and speaker to the same power supply, you get voltage coming down in between the two. So that's how you get the loop. So if you're getting this problem with the BHI speakers, it's the powered speakers. This speaker was getting nothing on it. This is going straight into the back of the 101. This is just the BHI extension speaker. There was no RF coming through that. It was just coming through this one because it's the powered speaker. So yeah, I was trying to fault find, putting ferrites, ringland on the back. What normal hams do, you end up putting ferrites everywhere, which I've left a few on anyway on the back of the speaker. It's just best practice. But yeah, so that is now fixed. So yeah, that was annoying me. It was very, very slight in the background, but it was annoying me with my headphones. And then we've done shack 2. So let's turn around a minute. Shack 2. Well, we've just extended the shack. Let's see. How do I zoom in on this now? No, I'm moving it up and down. I'm not very good with this camera. Camera. Do you know something? It's easy if I just walk towards it. Yeah, so I put the 9100. I just think I'll have to edit this out again. Yeah, I've just put the 9100 next to the shack, so I can hear the guys on HF, and obviously I can listen to the guys on 2 meters. So what I've done with this particular setup, same thing, I didn't want to buy a power supply, so what I've done, I've put 25 amp 12 volt cable to the back of the desk, to the 12 volt outlet, so that's saving buying a power supply. And what I've done, I've put jumper leads on, well, cable extensions. So what's that, I think roughly about 15 foot, I should imagine, maybe a tad more. Comes behind the settee, comes back to the desk, and goes to these switches here. So as you can see on that one there, the 2 meter one, 9-100, and the HF side of things, it's 9-100. And obviously it goes to the antenna switching. So yeah, the job's finished. Excuse me, I'm getting a croaky voice. So job's done now. It was a pain doing it all, but yeah, at least I've got this over here now. So when I'm sat on the settee with my dogs, I can chat to the lads, local lads, because sometimes I was too lazy to get up. So yeah, that's it. This project finished. I've got several more projects going on. I've got some antennas coming up, so if you like the video, please subscribe and come back, and we'll catch you in the next one. So 7.3 for now, G0 DTX. Cheers.